Capito, welcome.
Thank you.
First of all, how did COVID-19 affect the shape of you and your teammates?
Actually, it wasn't really easy because, to go, lockdown without doing what you love to do best was a little bit disappointing. But, it's a world pandemic that's happened and we had no control over it, so we had to cope with it. Even though we're in the house, we're having a little bit of training, but it wasn't like a team training. So we are all happy we are back.
Okay. As the captain and the leader of the team, surely the chemistry will come from you. What sort of conversation have you been having with the new guys as well as the old boys?
Of course, it's been great. I always try as much as possible to always engage the new guys because the old guys, they know the in and out of the clubhouse. For me, to get close to the new guys a lot. And if you see in camp right now, most of the times I try to move with the new guys, try to educate them in and out of the club, try to motivate them so that they will feel at home because they are new. We have to bring them close to us so that they will feel the vibe of the club. So far so good. It's been great with the new guys.
Okay. Captain, it's been 6 years without the league trophy. Have you figured out what you and your mates have to do to win the league for us this season?
Yeah, I think it's hard work and determination, and as well as giving our 100% dedication. This is a big club, and each and every season we are Asante Kotoko. We have to fight for every trophy. We know it's been as you say, in a little bit of years we have not won the league, and there is hard time. We group ourselves and then we move forward so that we bring the lost glory. So for us, we know it's all about hard work. When we come together as one team, as one family, we work together as one. Hopefully, we can bring back the league.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.